gentlemen, this is Kate together with my team would like to welcome all aboard Cebu Pacific. We are now ready to depart for Rojas. The command of this flight is Captain Policarpio, assisted by First Officer Maravilla. Our total flight time could be 15 minutes.
Galing pa, sana ba?
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to our cabin crew, who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life